Guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we thought we would take you guys along with us. I have to go to Target and do a few errands, and we're about to head into Jamba Juice and get a smoothie. She's not gonna get one.
It's
but
so cold outside.
I know, it is really, really cold actually. It's actually supposed to rain this week. Like Thursday, Friday or something.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I saw in the forecast. But yeah, so I just worked out. I'm just gonna get like a quick smoothie. I'll show you guys what I get, and then we're gonna head to Target and get a few things I need for my house.
Maybe bake something later.
Yes, we're big sweet tooths, as you guys know, so maybe we'll like bake something at my house or something like that, since it's cloudy, little vibe. So yeah, we're gonna take you guys along with us, so keep watching. Actually freezing.
So cold outside.
I don't know if my outfit like is good for the cold,
I already told you it's not.
but it's kind of sunny, so. Okay, so I got Jamba Juice. It's a mango go-go with added strawberries, extra thick. It's fire.
We literally do not understand what is going on right now.
What is this? This is insane. Okay, look at, these are the last two toilet papers. Literally, like they're teeny. And then we took the last two on the shelf. There's no more. So.
Literally insane.
It's empty.
I guess the world's ending, guys.
I've never seen it like this. Makeup wipes. So we are gonna make Fruity Pebble sugar cookies. So we're getting all the ingredients to make them.
What do we need?
So we need baking powder.
At least the food's here.
Yeah, thank goodness.
What else do we need?
Okay, so we need 1 cup butter, which I have at my house, and then 1 cup sugar. I only have brown sugar, so we're gonna get this sugar. And then we also need, I have flour, and then we just need vanilla extract. So
Probably down here.
vanilla extract. Nope, not that one.
Nope. Yep, right here.
Oh, perfect. Get one of those. Wow, I'm so excited for these.
Because we had this last weekend in LA.
Yeah, we went to Melrose and we got these like Fruity Pebble sugar cookies, and they were unreal. This is my favorite section. I can literally spend like hours in the home section.
Do we need anything like this for give all our measurements?
Oh yeah, we have measuring cups. I didn't put my brakes on.
Let's ruin the Jordans, why don't you?
I scuffed the bottoms.
Good job.
Hey guys, so we just got back from Target, so we're gonna start cooking and show you guys all the ingredients for what we need to make these sugar cookies with Fruity Pebbles. Looked up a quick recipe online of sugar cookies, and then we just add the Fruity Pebbles. So, flour.
We have that? Oh my god.
Okay, we have baking soda.
I wonder what it tastes like. You should try it.
Oh no.
Oh.
Baking powder. We need 1 cup butter softened. We're just gonna like maybe put these in the microwave for a sec. Then we have sugar. We got eggs. And then we have the vanilla extract. So, yes, and then the Fruity Pebbles, the best part. That's how
Here's
I
the best.
My hands are washed.
Are they though?
Yeah. Oh my god, these are so good. I could eat the whole box.
I dare you.
So let's begin.
What's first?
Preheat the oven.
And the microwave. Should we put this in the microwave just like this? Or like on a plate or in a cup? In a cup?
In a cup.
Bowl.
In a bowl.
Bowl.
Or like this, yeah. You have to soften it a little. Put it like this, it can be like that.
Oh, perfect.
Have our measuring cups here. So we're gonna just put this in the microwave for a sec.
Welcome back to our show.
Yum, where we eat all day. Okay, here's the butter softened.
I don't think that goes in yet.
Yeah, it says, look. It says,
Like what
in
is
a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until smooth.
Oh, so this and this?
Yes, butter and
Is this
sugar.
enough?
Yeah, 1 and then a half. Ready? Go. So this is what it looks like. Melt.
Sierra melted the butter all the
Are we
way.
not supposed to do that?
No,
It'll make them bad.
I don't know. But they always say just soften, like room temperature, not water.
Oh well. We'll tell you guys how these end up. Okay.
Watch it be like the secret.
So it says beat an egg and vanilla. So 1 egg,
Oh, it looks like sugar cookies.
1 egg. One teaspoon of the vanilla extract. Okay. 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
I wish we had like cookie cutters. Cute cookie cutters.
Me too. So 1 teaspoon.
Are we sure?
1 teaspoon of baking soda, yeah. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder.
That's a lot.
1/2 teaspoon.
Yeah.
2 3/4 so of the flour. So 1. I bent the thing.
How? How does that happen? How does that happen?
Stop making fun of my measuring cup. I went a little bit too hard in the flour and it bent this and she's dying of laughter. I can fix it. There. It's fixed.
Wipe us out. This is how it looks like. It's just not. Do I just put my hands in there?
Let's try a piece.
Okay, go ahead.
Yum. Here's our cookie sheet. Okay. It says ungreased. I'm a baker. This is proof because there's little cookie grease balls. And the Fruity Pebbles.
That is so colorful. Okay.
This is it with the Fruity Pebbles inside of it. So this is what we have going. Should I put them a little closer together?
Yeah, I think it's 2 finger width apart.
Oh, okay. I can go closer.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, is this a good size?
Let's see.
So the oven's on 375, and we just put in the cookies. Yum. So as we wait for the cookies, I thought I would show you guys what I'm wearing. So it's like these little Levi boyfriend type style jeans with this like little black zip up jacket and this little top. And then my Jordans, which are like teal blue. So yeah.
Don't know what happened to that one.
That one got a little bit sad in the oven. Just decided to die.
It got burnt.
These look so good. We're gonna let them cool for a little bit and then try them. So we just finished baking our cookies and this is how they
They're all
look.
colorful and so cute.
So cute and so good. We tried them and they're really, really good. I'm so full from eating all the batter though.
I know, she kept eating it
I
the
can't
whole
eat
time.
anymore. So anyways, today's post notification shout out goes to Nicole Padovano, if I'm pronouncing that right. So shout out to you. Thank you for all the love and support.
Yes.
And if you would like a post notification shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, turn on our post notifications, and hit that thumbs up and comment down below done.
Yes.
And we will be shouting you guys out in each one of our videos.
So comment down below if you guys try this recipe. It's actually really good. You can actually put any cereal you want. Sierra just loves Fruity Pebbles,
Yes, I love
so
Fruity Pebbles.
you can just add whatever, sprinkles.
Ooh, yum. They're really, really fire. So yeah, tell us if you guys make them.
Yeah,
See how
tag
you
us
guys
on
like them.
Instagram.
So anyways, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.